Need a good way to circulate the air and cool off from the hot summer heat? Let's check out this new tower fan from Dreo today. Hi, this is David of Tech for Baba, a channel I share my experiences on how technology enhances my time with kids and family as a dad. If this is your first time here, welcome. Please consider subscribing to the channel. In today's video, let's check out the Dreo Pilot Max Tower Fan. Go through its many features and what makes this particular tower fan stands out from the others for me. Thanks to Dreo for sending this out for me to try and share with you. The tower fan came well packaged in this long box. Inside the box, there is the fan, a very tall one, a couple of pieces for the base, a quick start guide, and a manual. It's quite easy to put together the base and the fan. Just follow the quick start guide, matching the pegs and the slot of the two halves at an angle, and twist flat, then press down on the edges to assemble the base. Remove the red screw nut on the bottom of the fan. Fit the base onto the fan, and just screw the nut back on tight. That's it. This big round base keeps the fan stable and upright. Oh, and don't forget to check the packing styrofoam on the other end. The power adapter and the remote are taped under it. The power then plugs into this DC in port just above the base of the fan. It'd be good if the cable goes underneath the base with a cable guide to hide it. The Pilot Max Tower Fan is a tall one at 42 inches. It has a modern design with a rounded top and a rounded bottom. A good mix of silver on the outside and black in the front and the back. The front panel is flat and the back is curved. The fan takes air in from the back, the sides, and blows the air out of these vertical grills in the front. It's a good looking tower fan. The controls are on the top. There's a power button to turn the fan on and off, mode button to switch the fan between 4 different modes, an oscillation button to adjust the angle of the oscillation between 30, 60, 90, and 120 degrees, a timer button to automatically turn the fan off in 1 to 12 hours. Lastly, plus and minus buttons to adjust the airflow volume from level 1 to 12. There's a big LED display right under these controls here on the top of the fan, and an empty slot right below for placing the remote control. It's a good remote control too. The remote is all black with a rubbery surface for the buttons. It has all the same controls as the physical buttons on the top of the fan, plus an extra button to mute the fan's beeping. Too bad this little holding slot doesn't have a magnet to hold down the remote. In addition to the controls on the top of the fan, the remote, this fan can also be controlled by an app on the phone or by voice with Alexa or Google Assistant. This is a smart fan with a lot of features. That's all great, but does it do what it's supposed to do as a fan? Let's plug it in and find out. As soon as I plug the fan in and turn it on, I can feel this fan is moving a lot of air. It's a strong fan. Here it is running at level 1, at level 6, and at level 12. I can feel the air blowing all the way in the other side of the room. I also like how the LED display is large and bright on the top of the fan, so I can see it clearly from across the room. Not only is this a powerful fan, it runs much quieter than other fans I'm used to. Dreo says this tower fan has an extended impeller wheel inside that could push 63% more air, up to 1475 CFM, with 40% less turbulence noise. With my Apple Watch about 6 inches away, my ambient noise level is about 37 decibels with the fan off. With the fan on at level 6, the noise level only increased by about 6 decibels. It's a powerful yet very quiet fan. The app to control the fan is called Dreo. Once the app is installed and signed in, press the oscillation button on the fan for 5 seconds to pair the fan to the phone and set up the Wi-Fi connection. Once connected, all the controls are available on the app. Mode, speed, timer, oscillation, and on the bottom of the screen, there are also buttons to set up voice control with Alexa and Google Assistant. At $149.99 US, the Dreo Pilot Max Tower Fan is powerful, yet quiet, smart too. There's also a standard version without the smart app features for $33 less. There are additional discounts from time to time in the link I'll put in the description below if you want to check them out. This is a great tower fan for all the hot summer days and warm spring fall ones too. Thanks for watching. If you find any part of this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share the video with your friends. Have you also found a good efficient fan? Let us know in the comment section below. If you want to see more videos on how technology can enhance our life with kids and family, please subscribe and turn on the bell to be notified when I put out my next video. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, remember to cherish each moment.